The Scottsdale Heritage Connection is a collection of print and digital materials about the history of the Scottsdale area. Here are some tips on how to find materials in this collection. You can start your search from the Scottsdale Heritage Connection webpage or from the library's main catalog. Let's go to the Scottsdale Public Library's homepage and do some searches. We'll be using the search feature near the top of the page on the right. You can search by keyword, place, individual, and subject. Let's try searching by place. Type in Kachina Theater Scottsdale. Then press the search button. Here we see the Kachina Movie Theater in 1963. This building served as a movie theater from 1960 to 1989. It was located at the northeast corner of Stetson and Scottsdale Road. By opening up the record, you can see information about the images plus other useful information such as subjects and series statements that you can select to extend your search. Let's try that by choosing the subject, Motion Picture Theaters. That takes you to the subject index. You can select that subject and bring up more material associated with the movie theaters of Scottsdale. Let's open up our original record one more time. You can also take a closer look at the images themselves by selecting each one of them separately, and once open, you can move easily between images. Here's a tip. The left side of the results screen allows you to narrow your search if you wish, sometimes a handy tool. Let's do another search for one of the key people who made the Indian Bend Wash a reality in Scottsdale, Bill Walton and the Wash. Notice how this record contains mixed media. You can look at the images and you can also open the video for viewing.
It was a brush-choked, impassable gash dividing our community. Scottsdale's future was literally being swamped.
Here's another tip. If you add the word digital or heritage or connection to your catalog search, you can narrow your search even more. Let's try that and search for some yearbooks. Type in the search bar, Camelback School Yearbook Heritage. We have 53 copies of the old Scottsdale High School yearbook, the Camelback, available. Select Availability to see the collection. To further narrow a search, you may choose Search Options. Choose Digital Collection to further narrow your search to the Scottsdale Heritage Connection digital items. For additional help, be sure to see a Scottsdale Library staff member or use the Ask a Librarian feature accessible from our library homepage. Have fun searching the Scottsdale Heritage Connection collection and exploring local history.